We're going to look at a new set of identities now, and these are known as the sum and the difference identities. So you'll notice these are saying if you're taking sine and you're trying to find it of two angles added together, what we can't do is just say it's sine of the first angle plus sine of the second angle, but we do have these formulas. So for example, sine of angle U plus angle V is equal to sine of U times cosine of V plus cosine of U sine of V. Okay, sorry, this kind of got wrapped around, but sine of U minus V is sine of U cosine of V minus cosine of U sine of V. And so we have the sine formulas, cosine formulas, and tangent formulas. Okay, and before we use them to prove anything, we're actually going to use them to find some exact values. So this says find the exact value of cosine of 120 minus 45. So this is going to be our U and this is going to be our V. So we're going to use this formula right here. And we'll say, okay, this is cosine of 120 times cosine of 45 plus sine of 120 times sine of 45. And now we need our unit circle. So let me pause. Okay, so cosine of 120, remember, is the x value. So we'd look 120 degrees. Okay, so it would be negative 1/2. Cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Plus sine of 120 is square root of 3 over 2. And that shouldn't say 4/5, so it should say 45. Sine of 45 is also square root of 2 over 2. So here we'd multiply across the top and the bottom, so we'd have negative square root of 2 over 4 plus square root of 6 over 4. And the only thing we can really do to simplify this is we could write it as square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. So that would be our exact value. Okay, now we want sine of 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 6. So this is like our U, this is our V, and we're now going to use this formula. So it'd be sine of 2 pi over 3 cosine of pi over 6 minus cosine of 2 pi over 3 sine of pi over 6. So sine of 2 pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. Cosine of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. Minus cosine of 2 pi over 3 is negative 1/2. And sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So this would give us 3 over 4 plus 1/4. So we'd get 4 over 4, which is 1. Okay, and next we want tangent of 5 pi over 3 minus pi over 4. So this is our U, this is our V, and we're going to be using this formula. So we'd have tangent of 5 pi over 3 minus tangent of pi over 4 all over 1 plus tangent of 5 pi over 3 tangent of pi over 4. Okay, so let's look at 5 pi over 3. Okay, and tangent is the y over the x, so we're going to get negative square root of 3. So we have negative square root of 3 minus pi over 4, tangent y over x is 1 because they're the same, over 1 plus, this will be square root of 3 times 1. So here we have negative square root of 3 minus 1 over 1 plus square root of 3, and we can just leave it like that.